guys, welcome to my channel again. So in today's video we are making bread rolls or dinner rolls. These are small rolls of bread which you can eat with your jam, butter, with pasta, with any gravy. So let's start with the ingredients. So for normal bread rolls, this is a basic recipe. We need flour, which is 100 grams. Okay, then we need sugar, which is 7.5 grams. Okay, we need salt, which is 1.5 grams. Then we need butter, which is 7.5 grams again. Yeast, which is 2.5 grams. I have actually made a solution of active dry yeast. You put it in a lukewarm water so that it gets active. So this is the yeast water solution, if you guys can see. And water to knead the dough. So let's start. Okay, so I've taken my pan in which I'll be going to make bread rolls dough. So first I'm putting out flour in it. Okay, I'll add fat, which is butter, in it. I'll add sugar, everything together. You can put everything together. And I'll put salt. Okay, now I will put my solution of yeast, which I had kept ready, and form a dough. Okay, as you can see, the dough is getting ready fast. It will be a little bit sticky first, but then it will be okay. You can add a little bit more flour to it so that get a proper consistency. Okay, so my dough is ready. Now I'll put a wet cloth on it to cover it so that it gets double in size. So this is, we'll keep it for resting, and our normal bread dough is ready right now. Okay, so our bread dough is ready and we'll keep it for resting for about 30 minutes so that it gets double in size, and then we'll shape our bread rolls. Okay, so our dough has been ready after 30 minutes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a nice knead again, like this. Okay, knead it properly so that everything gets incorporated. After resting, it again needs a little bit nice knead. And can you see this? Can you see this smoothness? So this is my dough which is ready. So now I'm going to put it into 4 parts. I'll divide the dough into 4 parts and make small roundels of it and set it for baking and set it for proofing so that it gets double in size, and then we'll bake our normal bread rolls like this. Can you see the round shape? So this will be the normal bread rolls. Okay, so I have shaved my bread rolls over here, and I will proof them for again 20 to 30 minutes till the time it gets double in size, and then we'll bake. Okay, so now we'll bake our bread in 200 degrees Celsius temperature oven, or in OTG you can keep it 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes till it's golden brown in color, and then we'll see if it is baked nicely or not. We've now kept our breads in the oven for 15-20 minutes. We'll keep it, and now we'll see what after 20 minutes we'll see how it turns out. Hi guys, so welcome back. And after 20 minutes my bread rolls, they look like this. Delicious? Yes, they are. So what do you think, guys? See? Nice, right? Okay, so this is how it looks from the bottom and this is the top. So can you see this? Nice golden brown color. And it's soft. So you can have it with your any gravy, any vegetables, your butter, your jam or marmalade. This is normal bread roll recipe. And please subscribe me for my next, please do like this video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and keep watching for more interesting videos. Thank you.